Odofupa. And then me ma Easter fish ya pe. Now what is saying? I Adom TV. You may deal with a Nkuranhyesem and Nkuranhyesem. Now when you say me I'm a town one me chame me am som for me ba me som. Apostle Dr. Anita Kutego. Jesus was arrested. He was tried and found guilty of claiming to be a king. Hey, Yesu ye cheno. Ye bunate na so boy de boy no say ofre no ho so yo. His body was hung on a cross between two thieves. Na ye bona senduamu na odeboye ni bako jane benkum bako ejanifa. After his death, Jesus' body was wrapped in white linen and placed in a tomb with a large stone rolled across the opening. Na ye kunu ye no, ye de nipa duane efiri asenu ano so, ye de ntoma fita akyekyere no, ye ne koshe amnamu ene de abo kakraka bi tu amna no ano. On the third day, on early Sunday morning, Mary Magdalene and Anna Mary came to the tomb and found it empty. Sitting on the rolled away stone was an angel of the Lord who told them not to be afraid, that the Jesus they are seeking is no more amongst the dead. Now Mary Magdalene and Mary were called baby I say yes no. So ko sana eduro oduro na abo no ye ro na onyame bofo bi tia no say ma mu nsuro ni amohwe no no ofiri awufuo mu wasode. Bebre ye na di Easter ye crusade ye picnic ye kodi agro ko no nsa abusua hia bom. But ne yesi e ka ne say ye hia mu no yesi ehunu say Easter ejina ma de ba ko. The resurrection of Jesus Christ. Yesu ni wo sodi mu. Sa Easter no pa no sori ye no. Yesi na ye de ade bi ato ne nana no. Na sa abo no ye kanipa o hakra bomu a yontimi mpia. Bofo ba ko pe no de nsa keto apia ne sei. Wa bra bomu obo bi da no. Wa de mu obo bi da no. Apo mu ne usikasem ye de ebo bi ato ano mi hu no bo mi hu sa abo ba unim. Wo brebo ene de mesre Nyankopon se wo brabo bi e da wo brabo ano no ye piafio ka kire won se me piafio wo wade ano ukunu sabe wo pema dodo e ye bo na da to no brabo so wo yire ebi odi ntro dodo ono so ye bo ne de me ka kire wo se fa won sa e piansa abo no me nyabufuo ne o ya odie e wo do ne mpabo na ka kire wo se me pia ebo bia e da ma wade ano e da misika sema no e da ma brabo ano. The sacrifice of Christ was a gift of eternal life. Onyame ba no tu ne ho si ono o de nkwaje na ebre yen na ene de wo so de na wonya free mu. What does Easter mean to you? For me, Easter means death is not the end of my story. Disgrace is not the end of my story. Easter ema mi hu say enye owo na twa ma asem nyina so. Enugwase entwa men so mensam so. So me say for more, and yes, my brother, and sin can no longer have power over me, for I have been set free. And they yimi nkwasumu, menyami hofa hudie, oje akamene babusuya, enti owo ni mesu to me, boni ni mesu to me, and troni boni ya neti modin di emejamu, na mafa wodo, ni asumdwe ayache ashe. So me dream Easter when I think about Easter, I'm reminded of the promise that we are all part of God's plan for a new dawn. We are all part of God's plan to overcome every obstacle, even death itself. So me dream Easter one. Me hu Nyankopon hihya wa hya mani padasani. Say ade nyina so no, ye be hya ade nyina so ya adefo na ahemfo na ahemma. Na dem hu bebi a wote e bia no hu ba bomfia. Minisiko me bro Ninko school twasani amene so na hunu say Easter we e ba se onyame be ye wodefo ene o mama ne ode hye kan sempa for abrabo ho Easter ejina ho man sempa. Easter comes the greatest news ever heard in the world. So as we celebrate this time with our family, let us remember that we are celebrating our new life of freedom, a new life of joy, a new life of peace, a new life of development and growth, a new life of being called sons and daughters of God. And that day, who say we Nyankopon ba, na wo hye nyame emra ase, na wo ye Nyankopon de hye prekope wasase so. We are de hye de, we are de hye normal, e kasa se de hye. Hwe American ambassador of Ghana, okraneka CD. Wo ka na ye DH, divine heaven. Enti wo nam abrabo mu a, nyehunu se wo ye o mama. Na ene Yesu ewu asore aye o de hye. Mu ho abomfia, wo nye oba na anya bema. Onya kan na onya nkrani. Onya obi afri from antem and asaf from antem. You are just a son and daughter of God. See yourself as such and move on with your life in joy. Ma wanenje. Na pe Nyankopon akade. Na ade bi ese obrabo no yifri ho. Na ka kire ho se. Efi na da kwa suban foforo. Ene foforo ena mebubra. O nyansam. Se da tie bia no. Yesu wuso de no. Mesore efe ngwase mu. Mesore efe owo mu. Mesore efe bone mu. Ma brabo aye krabe he. Odofo ana meja wo. Me da wase. So nya amrehwe mi. Ma me fa na aseso nkoma Adom TV adwumafo nyara. Enro amoso ma mo mudi Weber Frimpong Market Priscilla ena Richmond Thomas Ade ena eja Weber Kampedu kwa oni abrantie ena Thomas Camera MCR sound for no ndo so pa ena empo woni ya manage floor ya lighting ni ade nyina me da obi ase wo so ni onyame entina